Alright, so today is actually the 25th of June, where the withdrawal system for the CBEX trading platform is actually going to be activated, where you can currently withdraw your money, right? But we all know there is a count and terms and condition on this particular situation right now, and I'm quite happy about the activities I've seen right now. I think people are getting wiser because on the particular group, the activities that currently drop, like the people that are active to actually read whatever they are saying, has actually dropped. And that is what I said earlier in my last video, because the more you keep going there to read, the more you keep putting your eye up and your mind up to risk right there. So now this is what it says. I'm going to keep updating you about how people are going to be going on with the withdrawal system if people actually get their money back, right? So as of yesterday, the update they actually dropped was, okay, now tomorrow, which is today, the withdrawal system is going to start, and the verification, which is the $100, is actually going to stop, right? So they said they are going to make some list with your ID. So with the ID, they are going to actually list the amount you can withdraw. So you don't even have the rights to the amount you can actually withdraw. They actually said 50%, but they are going to give you the list of amounts you can withdraw, like the list of the amount you can withdraw. So when they bring this out, I'm going to make the video update also for you to be actually get notified. So congratulations to people that actually paid, because I said in my last video that you shouldn't pay if you actually if you don't have the capacity. Don't even bother to pay safe, because the only people that I'm seeing that actually paid was people that actually have up to 100k, 200k and thereabout, that have huge amounts that $100 is actually nothing to them. They just want to take the risk, and yeah, that's a congratulations to them. So we are going to get to know if they're going to be making the money or being able to withdraw any price, any amount from that. But what I'm saying is that they might want to give it to some people, because they actually said the withdrawal is going to be twice. So this is going to be stopping, this verification is going to be stopping. People can withdraw 50%. I think by next month, August or July, they are going to open another set, right? So what I'm thinking right now is that they are going to kind of pay this particular first set of people. This is just this is where I'm thinking about it. So they can pay the first set of people that are going to because I know few people are actually going to pay for now, and they're going to pay a little for them, 50% of their income. Then when they start showing their screenshot, oh, this and that, many people actually want to pay for the next section, which is going to be happening, I think June, July or August, thereabout. And this is also a alert video not to fall victim of that also, because this is between each of them, unless you know someone that is close to you that actually paid, that got his money back. But before you can see that, na connection, you can't actually see that easily. So that is just the update about this particular current situation about now. Just stay tuned to the channel, give this video a thumb like, and hit on the subscribe button. I'm going to make more further video on how the process is actually going and how you can actually stay safe and stay active on this platform. I remain Ipyong, and see you in my next video.